Colombia was playing today, so I decided to meet up with my friend in Brooklyn to watch the game. It was a rainy day, but that definitely didn't stop the good vibes. After one bus and two train rides, I finally made it. Finding a good spot wasn't easy, but eventually we grabbed some seats next to a big plant. The view was a little blocked at first, but we figured it out. We kicked things off with a michelada while watching England win their match, and then it was finally time for Colombia. There were even a few Portugal fans joining in on the fun. The game ended in a 0-0 draw, and just like that, it was time to head home with a little bit of a classic Subway wisdom to end the day.